Hello there, my beautiful friends. Harvey is back, and as a result of this simple video, is super short, but I'm gonna help you guys to maximize all of the knowledge that we've been going so far with credit and debit. So if you are right now still struggling to distinguish between debit and credit account, this video is gonna be for you. And if you find these videos helpful, don't forget to hit the like buttons over here. It's gonna help the YouTube algorithm to share this knowledge to more and more people. Another fact is that we already grow our tribe to 2,000 members. That is a huge number for me. I appreciate you guys. So without further ado, let's get started right now. Alright, so what are we trying to accomplish over here? The only thing that we need to do is to identify the normal balance, whether it's going to be the debit or credit for each and following accounts. So what is an account? An account is a place where our business record, sort, and store all the transactions that affect a related group of items. 8 accounts that we go through today is prepaid rent, owner capitals, note receivable, account payables, equipment, unearned revenues, utility expense, and dividends. Hey, please grab up your pens and paper right now and repeat the same things as I did. The reason for that, because there are some keywords that you need to take into consideration. Is going to help you a lot in the long run. Also, you are the only one can actually concentrate all the essence that we've been going so far. Otherwise, it's meaningless. So let's do it because it's going to be the right things to do. But first, let's do a quick revisions on dealer. D-E-A-L-E-R is an acronym for dividends, expense, access, liability, equities, and revenue. The first 3 letters represent a normal debit account. It's increased when debited and decreased when credited. Whereas the last 3 letters represent a normal credit account. It's increased when credited and decreased when debited. So let's get back to our problems over here. Number 1, whenever you see the word prepaid in the account titles, it's always an access, which is an A in dealer. So it's going to be a normal debit account. Number 2, owner equities is an equity account because it represents the investment by our owner, which is the second E in dealer. It's going to be the normal credit account. Number 3, another keyword that you need to take into account is receivable. Whenever you see the word receivable, it's always an access, an A in dealer. Therefore, it's a normal debit account. However, in number 4, whenever you see the word payables, it always indicate a liability account. So account payables is a liability, which is an L in dealer. Therefore, it's a normal credit account. Equipment is also kind of an access, so it's a normal debit account. Another keyword that you need to take into considerations is unearned. This a little bit tricky, but unearned always indicate liabilities. This is because unearned accounts are liabilities to deliver goods or services when customer had paid it in advance. So it's going to be an L in dealer. So it's a normal credit account. Utility expense is a form of expenses. The first E in dealer, so it's a normal debit account. Dividend, last but not least, is a D in dealer. So it's going to be the normal debit account. Hooray! We finally finished it. You guys are just amazing. So if you have any kind of concern left, please comment below so I actually can clarify that for you. So let's celebrate our journey with a big like and a subscribe. It's a huge support for me to finish this journey with you guys. So anyways, you guys done the right job. I'm proud of you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.